Ever pondered the idea of journeying into the world alone, just you, your backpack, and a map? If the answer is yes, then you're in the right place. So how do you start planning a solo trip? It begins with choosing a destination. Think about what kind of travel experience you're after. Are you a beach bum, a history buff, or a thrill seeker? Keep in mind your budget and the time you have available. Once you have pinpointed your destination, it's time to immerse yourself in the unglamorous yet essential aspect of travel: budgeting. This involves all aspects of your journey, from flights and lodging to meals and activities. To help manage your expenses, consider using budgeting apps and tools. These resources are designed to keep track of your spending, help you save, and prevent any financial surprises during your adventure. Therefore, it's paramount to research, plan, and utilize these technological aids ahead of time for a smoother, more financially secure journey. Next, consider where you'll stay. From hotels and hostels to Airbnbs and guest houses, there are plenty of options to choose from. Each has its pros and cons, so weigh your preferences for comfort, cost, and convenience. An important step in making your choice is checking reviews and ratings. These can provide invaluable insights into the experiences of previous guests, helping you to avoid any potential pitfalls and find the perfect place for your stay. Now we embark on the enjoyable segment, constructing your itinerary. Remember, it's your adventure. There's no right or wrong. You're free to do whatever you want, whenever you want. However, having a basic blueprint can help maximize your time. And to aid you in this process, consider utilizing travel apps and websites. They're filled with useful features that simplify itinerary planning, allowing you to get the most out of your journey. Packing for a solo trip is truly a refined skill. The crucial factor is to pack light yet intelligently. You need to ensure you carry everything without bearing the burden of a weighty suitcase. Essential items to include are a sturdy backpack, travel-sized toiletries, versatile clothing pieces, and of course, a comfortable pair of walking shoes. And let's not forget about the health and tech essentials: a comprehensive first aid kit for any unexpected injuries or health issues, and a reliable power bank to keep your devices charged on the go. These items can be lifesavers in an unfamiliar environment. Traveling alone doesn't signify solitude. A diverse world is waiting for you, filled with people eager to share their cultural ethos, personal narratives, and companionship. Engaging with locals and fellow travelers can deepen your travel experience beyond measure. Moreover, learning basic local phrases is an integral aspect of your journey. Not only does it help you communicate more efficiently, but it also exemplifies respect towards their culture and accelerates your connection with the people around you. When embarking on a solo journey, safety should always be your top concern. Be vigilant with your belongings, endeavor to blend in with the local culture, and always have a plan for emergencies. Alongside these precautions, it's highly advisable to invest in quality travel insurance. This will give you peace of mind and provide coverage for any unexpected mishaps you may encounter. Additionally, equip yourself with local emergency numbers. They serve as crucial lifelines, ensuring you can promptly get help when needed. Documenting your journey is a fantastic method of preserving precious memories. Whether it's through snapping photos, crafting a blog, or maintaining a travel journal, these keepsakes become a treasure chest of experiences to revisit. And with the modern convenience of cloud storage, saving your photos and videos has never been easier. It offers a safe and accessible way of storing these cherished moments, ready to be relived at any time. Traveling solo propels you beyond your comfort zone, thrusting you into a universe bursting with novel experiences. It's not merely about facing fears, it's a journey of self-discovery and independence. It's about embracing new adventures and experiencing personal growth. Solo travel opens your eyes to the realization that the world is vast and diverse, teeming with opportunities just waiting to be explored by the lone adventurer. It's a unique way to understand oneself better while unraveling the mysteries of the world. In conclusion, planning a solo trip involves choosing a destination, budgeting, researching accommodations, creating an itinerary, packing, and ensuring safety. It's about embracing the adventure, connecting with locals, documenting your journey, and growing personally. So, are you ready to take the leap into solo travel and embark on an adventure of a lifetime? Why wait? Start planning your solo journey today. Open your world to new experiences and watch how your life transforms. Grab a pen, a notebook, and begin the adventure you always dreamt of. Let the journey of self-discovery begin with your first step.